Okay, so in this last video, I'm back into my normal resolution, and I think you will see a sharper photo. So the first one, I'm going to press the L key. It's going to dim a bit the light so you can have more attention on the photo. That's the final result. That's the normal, just regular retouching of one photo. The only thing I don't like so much is how the water is very textury. I don't know, just attracts a lot of the eye. I prefer the long exposure one. Then we have the just pure HDR one. I don't like it so much. It has this HDR look on it that I don't like. And then we have a mixed up of the HDR and the normal. I think that's the one I like the most so far. And the last is the long exposure ones. Now that's the one I like the most, to be honest. On this specific shoot, that's the one that I'm going to put on my portfolio because it's got the silky water. Okay, it's got a magenta cast, but that's fine because it goes along with the sky. So let me show you again. That's the normal. That's the HDR. That's the HDR mixed with the normal. And that's the, oops, sorry. I don't know what's going to happen. That's the long exposure. I think I will go for the long exposure. So that's the end of that whole photo shoot from shooting to retouching of this beautiful sunset in Paris.